In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add extra baggage in Qatar Airways. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to navigate through the Qatar Airways website and add extra baggage to a flight. Keep in mind that you might also be able to do this process through the mobile app, but I'm going to show you how to do it on the website. All that you have to do here is sign into your account, and then you will be able to use these menus at the top here. So you have Explore, Book, Experience, and Privilege Club. To add extra baggage to a flight that you already booked, go over to Experience. Now, at the left, under the Before You Fly category, the first option is going to be Baggage Allowance. So click this option, and then you can see the details for economy class, business class, and first class. If you keep scrolling down, you will find this. Need to carry more? Save when you purchase extra baggage allowance on QatarAirways.com or our mobile app before your trip. So all that you have to do is click on this option and you will be redirected one last time to this page. Save up to 70% when you pre-purchase additional baggage in bulk on QatarAirways.com, at Qatar Airways offices, or through our contact center. The fees and conditions below apply to flights operated by Qatar Airways only. So essentially, you just have to go through the rates, make sure that you are aware of the prices and the fees included, and as long as you are satisfied with these prices displayed on this table here, you will be able to click this orange button at the top, Purchase Additional Baggage. When you click this option, you will be redirected to this page where you have to include your booking reference, PNR, or your e-ticket number, and you will get instructions on how to find those here, and then your last name attributed to the flight ticket. After you input this information here, you will be able to retrieve your booking and add extra baggage. I hope I was able to help you on how to add extra baggage in Qatar Airways. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.